Okay, welcome back to the channel. And now for something completely different from the field kitchen. As you already know, we've had the most incredible adventure in Botswana and Namibia. There were some challenges. One of the challenges were the vet fences and the transportation of raw meat. The vet fences are in place to prevent the spread of foot and mouth disease amongst livestock and other wild animals. If you're not in the know, your meat could be confiscated at the vet fence, which could seriously ruin your campfire vibes. It is commonly understood that cooked meat is allowed through the vet fences, which got us thinking. We have a hack that could be the solution. Introducing sous vide. The sous vide method is well known in the restaurant industry as a way of pre-cooking and tenderizing meat, locking in all the juices and flavor. The best part is you're still going to be able to braai your meat on the fire. So here goes, let's get right into it. Please share your tips and tricks on dealing with vet fences in the comment section below. Okay, so you'll need your steak, you will need some salt and pepper, you'll need some garlic, and you'll need some herbs. I got some thyme here. So all the ingredients go into the Ziploc bag. We're going to vacuum seal the Ziploc bag. I'll show you a method. To sous vide, we are going to be using the Instapot. Make sure you use the Instapot with the sous vide function. Season your choice cuts with salt and pepper. Crush 3 garlic cloves and then bag your steaks in the Ziploc bag. Add the garlic and a few sprigs of thyme. Then seal the bag, leaving a small opening. Immerse the bag with the steaks. The water pressure will expel the remaining air and seal. Ready to go in. Now put the steaks in the bath and sous vide. For medium rare sous vide steak, sous vide for 2 to 4 hours at 54 degrees Celsius.
1 hour later.
Okay, for your convenience, we've already done 2 steaks, sous vide 2 steaks the night before and frozen them. And I've just taken them out of the freezer and I'm going to take them out of the bags. But do not discard the herbs and the garlic. Now heat your pan and add some olive oil. Add a knob of butter. Add your garlic and thyme. And then fry each side of your steak for 1 minute. And that includes the fat. Now take your meat off the heat and let it rest for 3 minutes before slicing. And remember, if you like this channel, what do you have to do?
You have to like and
Subscribe.
please.
Please.
We value your subscriptions.
Support.
And
We feel the
support.
love. And it's a free way to support us.